Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You guys are wonderful. Thank you.
디자인이나 이런 책인 것 같아요.
Hi. Good. How are you? I need to scan your badge. There we go. There's a zine for you. Oh, thank you. You're all set.
처음에 그 직원이 헷갈려가지고 분명히 이렇게 하나씩.
Yeah.
There you go. Just keep it like this for about 20 minutes. Try to keep it out of the sun so if you want to put it in your bag.
Okay, thank you so much.
Don't worry, almost all the talks will be recorded. E agora o Figma fala português. Collapsible layers in the layer panel. Annotations in Figma Design, plus annotation categories. Accessibility contrast information in the color picker.
오, 저 지금 엄청 우리 필요한 건데. 와우.
Plus, the demo. What are you doing? Dylan asked me to come out on stage. All right, we'll do this together. Let's do it. We'll go out and link pages together if I want, but I really want to show you a new feature. I think that's going to feel good, but let me preview. With Figma Make, you can take an existing design and prompt your way to a fully coded prototype.
And because we're Figma, we're not just giving the model an image of your design, we're passing the design itself, including all of that structure and metadata. The model can reference the layers in your design, understand what they're for.
Classic. Well, I do have a few minutes to do this together.
Sure, why not?
All right, let's do it. Everyone, Lauren McCann, our director for Figma EDU. Did we plan this? I think we planned this. Easy access to your shared brand library, so registration.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and talk about Figma Drive.
So definitely.
Design how you want to, or you use the container.
Is that most AI systems are not context aware. They don't understand.
They're a perfect blend of code base and design. They're easy to maintain, iterate on, and hand off to others.
Logical thriller, Apple TV Plus's most watched series.
Like, why? What's the difference? They're like, you just can't do it. And I hate when people
에스컬레이터를 타는데 줄을 서네.
Anytime, let's get right into it, shall we?
Thanks for getting up so early.
Alright, I'm gonna go now.
And ultimately what this means is that an eye.
Whereas make is focused more so.
Angular component doesn't throw you off to have code connect enabled for all of these. So